Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a part-time job in Australia. First, ensure your visa permit's working. This is crucial for legal employment. Next, familiarize yourself with the local job market and common part-time roles available. Finally, gather all necessary documents, including your resume and any required identification, to streamline your application process. This foundational preparation will set you up for success in your job search. Finding opportunities is key. Start by exploring popular online job boards such as Seek, Indeed, and Jora, which list many part-time roles. Don't underestimate the power of networking. Connect with people in your desired industry and attend local job fairs. Also, consider directly approaching businesses, especially in sectors like retail or hospitality, as many hire on the spot. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized, whether you're heading to work or just staying organized at home. You can find the link for these and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Your application needs to stand out. Tailor your resume for each specific job, emphasizing skills and experience relevant to the role. Always include a concise cover letter that clearly explains your interest and why you are a good fit. Finally, prepare for interviews by practicing common questions. This will boost your confidence and help you articulate your answers effectively. It's vital to know your rights as a part-time worker in Australia. The current minimum wage is over $23 per hour for adults, so ensure you are paid correctly. Be aware of your working hours and any break entitlements you are due. Always prioritize your safety and understand your rights regarding fair treatment in the workplace.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.